Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my channel Rise and Shine with PND. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, quickly pause the video and press the subscribe button as well as hit the bell icon to receive all new notifications from our channel. So guys, I am back with the Belief 2 of our series Painting the 10 Colors of Excellence. Our Belief 2 is we have within us all the resources we will ever need. Let me start this Belief 2 with a quote by Anonymous. Everyone is gifted. Only few open the package. Let me walk you through the story of Stephen Callan. In 1982, he was crossing the Atlantic alone in his sailboat when it struck something and sank. He was out of shipping lanes and floating in a life raft, all alone. His supplies were limited and his chances of survival were slim. When the fishermen found him after 76 days, he was still alive, much thinner and feeble, but alive. It is the longest anyone has survived a shipwreck on a life raft alone. His narration of how he survived is unbelievably fascinating. He managed to catch a fish despite his weak state. He also filled his solar still, which helped distill seawater and get fresh drinking water. But the thing that fascinates the most is this. How did he manage to keep himself going when there was no logical hope, when there seemed no point in struggling, and when he was faced with a constant defeat? He was hungry, starving, and dehydrated. Giving up would have seemed the only sane option. Other than sheer destiny, what makes extraordinary people survive this kind of circumstances? It is what they do with their minds that gives them the courage to keep going and find the guts to carry on in spite of overwhelming odds. Many people in similar, desperate circumstances give up or lose sanity. I tell myself I can handle it, wrote Callan in his narrative. He has written a book named Adrift, 76 Days Lost at Sea. I strongly recommend you to buy this book and go through it. In that, Stephen has written, I tell myself these things over and over, building up fortitude. Can you see the incarnations Callan affirmed to himself? He believed that he still had all that he needed to make it through this ordeal. Friends, whenever you are struck and your goal seems to be too far away or when your challenges seem too overwhelming, remind yourself with this belief. I have within me all the resources I will ever need. Every time I have said it, I have always come back to my senses, moved ahead and kept going. I take it one day at a time. Making it through one day is important. I sure have all the resources I need to make it through my ordeal, and I do make it. It is important for us to nurture the kind of beliefs carried by Callan. Belief is the food for our soul and has the potential to make ourselves stronger and alive an extraordinary journey. I hope, friends, that you understand this belief too. It's a very important belief. And friends, write your own affirmations, write your own incarnations into a paper or in your diary or a journal, or write it in your paper and stick it in front of the wall where you sit every day, where you can have your eye on. It will help you a lot, especially this belief. Have this belief within you. Write this belief in bold in your room. Stick it anywhere where you can see every day, and you'll get the result in only 21 days of practice. If you have any doubts regarding this video, please share it with us in the comment section. If you like this video, then share it with all your close ones, friends, family, relatives, and the persons that need to see this, and help them rise and shine. Now let's meet with our Belief 3 on 27th of Jan at 10 p. If you are a Hindi viewer, then you can get the link in the description box, the video which has been streamed live in Hindi language. So friends, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get all new notifications of our channel. I strongly recommend you to buy this book by Stephen Callan, The Adrift, 76 Days Lost at Sea. If you want to buy this book, the links are given in my description box. You can buy this book in both the languages, Hindi and in English. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.